Hi guys, welcome to another grammar lesson. Today again we are going to talk about possessive pronouns in nominative case, but we are going to practice it. If you haven't watched the first video, please click somewhere there in the corner and watch the first video, because in that video I explain how it works, how my algorithm works. In this lesson we are only going to practice the sentences, the possessive pronouns. Here I've prepared for you the cheat sheet, so you can always look here what are the possessive pronouns, and below the table there is the algorithm. Let's quickly recap it. The first step, choose case or table. In this lesson we always use the same table for nominative, so the step is already done. The second step, choose subject. It means to choose the row, the subject of the sentence. Then third step, to choose the object number, singular or plural. And the last step, choose object gender. So we choose the particular cell, okay? If you've already forgotten how it works, you can watch the previous video. And now let's focus on these examples. It starts from 0 because I am a programmer and I didn't have enough place on the bottom, space on the bottom. Okay, so let's start with the first example. Our team won. The first step is always already done because all the examples are in nominative. So let's skip the first step. Second step, choose subject. Our team. It means we are the subject because it's our team. So we choose this row. Nasz, nasza, nasze, nasi, nasze. Okay? So we have the row. Now the third step. Choose object number. Team is one team, so we choose the left part of the table, singular. Okay? And the last step, choose object gender. I've written here in red color what are the genders of these nouns. So as you can see, zespół in Polish language is masculine, so we choose this cell, nasz. Our team won, nasz zespół wygrał. And that's it. Let's try the second example together. Your ball is in my garden. First step, we always skip. Second step, choose subject. Your ball, in English, it can be translated to singular or plural subject. So let's say it's singular. This row, your. The third step, choose object number. Ball is one ball, so the left part of the table. We can now choose from these three words, twój, twoja, twoje. And the gender of piłka is feminine. So from these three words, we choose the second one in the middle, twoja. So, twoja piłka jest w moim ogrodzie. Maybe I will read that down. So the first sentence, nasz zespół wygrał. The second sentence, twoja piłka jest w moim ogrodzie. And now try to make the third sentence on your own. Okay, I hope you paused the video and you did the example. Now let's do it together. Maybe more quickly. We are the subject, so this row, cat is one, so the left part of the table, and cat is masculine in Polish, so nasz. Nasz kot znikł. Now try the fourth one. Pause the video. Okay, your turn. In Polish it will be twoja, or wasza kolej. depending of the subject, if you translate it as singular or plural. Okay, so twoja or wasza would be correct. Is it my dog? Try this one. Czy to jest mój pies? Oj, mój. Here we have only one option. Try the next sentence. His mother is a teacher. Jego mama jest nauczycielką. This one is very easy. Jego, because it's always the same pronoun. Try the seventh sentence. Okay. Our children are playing on the playground or in the playground, I am not sure. Nasze. In Polish it will be nasze. This one maybe was a bit more difficult, so I will go through it. Our children, of course, we are the subject, so this row, then it's plural, children, so not one children, but many children, so it's plural. We have to take this time the right part of the table. And the where is it? The gender is neutral. So where is the neutral on the right side of the table? I don't know if you can see it, but here is written masculine personal, and here rest, the rest. So if the word is masculine personal, it goes here, and if the word isn't masculine personal in singular, it goes to the last column. Okay, so as you can see, nasze, nasze, because dzieci is not masculine personal. Okay, the next sentence, try it. Okay, our astronauts flew to the Mars. Nasi astronauci polecieli na Marsa. Nasi. So here we have an example of masculine personal, because astronauts are men, so they are a person, and also astronaut is masculine, has masculine gender, so masculine personal, we take this column. Nasi, nasi. Okay, the next sentence, try it. Here again we could translate it in two ways. Twoje żony or wasze żony, but let's say that everyone has only one wife, so it will be wasze. Wasze. Wasze żony, okay? And the last example, try it. Okay? So this one I think is quite easy. Czy to jest twój dom or wasz dom? It could be twój or wasz. So as you can see, Polish language is more specific. In English language we have here in both places your. In Polish we distinguish singular or plural. Okay guys, and that's everything for this lesson. I hope this lesson was helpful for you. If you like it, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to the channel for more Polish content. And if you have any question about the topic or these examples, please write in the comments below.